Hello, grade 7s. Welcome to our Pear Deck lesson of surface area with rectangular prisms. And I want to say hello to all the folks who came. We have so many people who did arrive. Awesome. We had 31 kids. I'll take it. And how are we feeling and how are our families feeling? Let's overlay. Yep, a mixture of responses, and I appreciate that. Everyone's at a different place. And everyone is facing different challenges, and I respect that. And it's not easy. That's granted. I'm kind of in the middle, to be honest. I'd rather be at school than doing all this at the same time. But that's okay. Everyone's a different place, and we just had to appreciate that. All right. So our first question was a surface area of this shape here, and it was what I found when I was looking at your answers. What the biggest issue was two things. One, some of you guys did not give me the measurement. So this is in centimeters. So when you're finding area of a rectangular prism, you must be giving me in centimeters squared. Okay. Second issue is a lot of you guys thought this was two shapes and not three. So I'm just going to switch my other screen here. And I'm just going to go through the answer with you guys. So shape A, so there's a couple of shapes. There's this shape here. Do I have a little pen or something? Yeah. I have this shape here, which connects to this shape here, right? Then I have this guy here, which is the same as this guy here. And then I have this guy here and his partner in crime on the other side, okay? So I'm looking at three different shapes. And I think it might be deceptive for you guys, that you guys might be thinking that this is the problem. Okay. I think you guys thought this was the same shape and that this E and F was the second shape. No. A and C were the same shape. B and D were the same shape, and E and F. So base times height. So A was 11 times 3, which is 33 centimeters. B was 4 times 11, which is 44 centimeters squared. And C, again, 3 times 11, so it's 33 centimeters squared. D over here was 44 centimeters squared. And our bottoms are just 3 times 4, right? So 3 over here times 4. Can I get the pen back? So 3 times 4, and that equals 12 centimeters squared. I add all 6 numbers together, and my answer should be 178 centimeters squared. Let's see if I can get rid of my... Okay, let's switch back. I did want to share some of your answers because there was some really great work. I think there was one in particular. I think this is the one that really popped out to me. Sorry, that should go away. This person was very thorough. They broke it into different colors. So they said, okay, these two is one color, these two is one another color, and the top and bottom were a different color. And then A is 11 times 3, 33 centimeters squared. B, 11 times 4, 44 centimeters squared. They did each one separately. It is time consuming, but it is actually the best way. And the answer is 178 centimeters squared. Okay. All right, the second shape would look like this. I think I found the same issue. Again, a lot of people missing measurement. This time it was a meter, so your answer should be meters squared. The second piece, again, was that a lot of you guys thought that it was two shapes and not three. So my answer, I'm just going to put my answer box here. I hope I can get rid of that later on. Okay. So the bottom parts here of my rectangular prism, 8 times 6 is 48 meters. Now in this formula, I think it's what is not clear to some people is that this is just giving you 3 shapes, but I have 6 shapes. So I need to double my answer to get the correct answer, which is 560 meters squared. Okay, I think that may have threw some of you. because you saw 3 shapes, you just added these numbers and you stopped. Well, no, these are just 3 shapes, but we have 6 shapes in total. So you'd add 48 plus 48, 120 plus 120, 90 plus 90 to get the correct answer. Okay. A lot of you guys did get the correct answer, and you are very thorough in your work. Thank you very much, grade 7s. I appreciate that. And a lot of you did tell me there was a rectangular prism. Awesome. Okay. Our next question was like this, and that's the one I just spoke about. Sorry. I think I skipped a slide here. Okay. This was our next question. I'm just going to skip forward to it in my answer as well so you guys can see what I'm seeing. In this surface area, you do have 6 different areas that you need to calculate. Area 1, 8 times 4, which equals 32. Area 2 is 2.5 times 4, so this side here and this side here. And that comes to 10. And the third space is 2.5 times 8. So, and that comes to 20. I would need to double these numbers. So my answer, I could add these up and times 2, and my answer would be 124 inches squared. I believe most of you guys got that answer, or were close to that answer. Yeah. I think a few were just off by calculations, but you understand the concept, which is what was important. Thank you. Okay, awesome. All right, my next question was this one here. Most of you guys got this question correctly, and I'm just going to go through it with you. Just remember, don't forget your measurement, grade 7s, for full marks, okay? Most of you guys, let me see if someone, okay, this person was very succinct. He said 4 times 4, let's go back. It's this cube, so all the shapes are the same. So 4 inches times 4 inches, that's going to be equal 16 inches. And 16 times, that's the other person I was looking at, sorry. Okay, then 16 times 6, because there are 6 sides to it, equals 96. And therefore your answer is 96 centimeters squared. Okay. You guys had some different formulas, that's fine. That's okay. I didn't see any problems there. This question, okay. It's my error because I did not put in the correct answer. So it would actually will be one of those questions that we ignore. All right. This question was, how do I find the volume of area? Volume equals length times width times height, and that would be the correct answer. Here, 2 things I wonder. So interesting things. I wonder how to find the surface area of an irregular shape. Okay, I wonder how to find the surface area of a pyramid. That is coming next week. A volume of a sphere. Okay, I think you do that another year. I don't think you do that with me. A volume of a circle. One thing I wonder is there a shape that has 100 sides? Probably. You probably research that one. I wonder how to find the volume of a cylinder. How to find the volume of a controller. Good question. Yeah. Lots of good questions, guys. Definitely things that some we will probably look into, some we probably will not. All right. And at the end, my one big question or component is I would like to learn math at a slower rate. And I did tell you guys we will be, or I didn't tell you, but I will tell you next slide that I looked at your SurveyMonkey. And in your SurveyMonkey, you did tell me that you wanted to have a slower rate. So I will be giving you 1 lesson per week in math and 1 lesson per week in science. All right. So guys, I miss you a ton. I hope you all take care. I'll see you on Monday, April 20th at 1 p.m. and we will be reviewing surface area of pyramids. Don't forget to hand in your work, grade 7s, and have a lovely week. Take care.